Next one, this one. What do you call this? Soup bowl or soup cup? Soup cup. The small one, soup cup. The bigger one, soup bowl. Remember that. Okay, this is soup cup. Alright. This is coffee cup. Okay, we have two types, which is coffee cup and also tea cup. Which one is bigger, coffee cup or tea cup? No. Which one do you drink more? Tea. Because coffee, some of the coffee you drink less, right? So, coffee cup is smaller than the tea cup. Tea cup is bigger size. But we don't have that in here. Alright? But then you just call this as coffee cup lah. Alright? Coffee cup. And then we have this one. What do you call this? Sauce what? Most of you all will say, sir, Aladdin, sir, Aladdin. Boleh gosok. Alright? So this is not Aladdin. This is called as sauce boat. B-O-A-T. Sauce boat. Boat. Sauce boat. Sauce boat are used to serve your sauce lah. Okay? Then we have this one. This one is called as not soup bowl. You don't drink soup. This is called rice bowl. This is for you to serve the rice. Rice bowl. Okay? Soup bowl, there's another one. Maybe if we have time, I can show you guys the soup bowl later. Alright? This is called again rice bowl. Alright? Then this one. This is the most simple name. The size. So the shape is what? Rectangle plate. We have also oval plate. We have rectangle plate. Alright? So this is rectangle plate lah. Okay? Okay, this one.
Salt and pepper.
Salt and pepper is the salt and the pepper. Salt and pepper shaker. Okay, salt and pepper shaker. Alright, so salt and pepper shaker, they have 5 holes, they have 3 holes. This one the same thing, but I just want to explain to you guys. What is the difference between 5 holes and 3 holes? 5 holes is for what? The more that you put is pepper, right? So 5 holes is of pepper. 3 holes is for salt. 1 hole? What do you call that? Pencokek gigi is what? Toothpick. For toothpick. Alright? Sugar we use different. We have sugar bowl. I will show you all later. Okay? Alright? Okay? So this is what we call as Chinaware. There's a lot more Chinaware inside the store, right? But if you've seen them, just ask me, sir, what is this? What is this? I will explain to you guys. But this one is all the important ones lah. Okay? So